A toast to ancient origins, the waffle's humble beginnings. The waffle, a culinary delight enjoyed across the globe, boasts a history as rich and nuanced as its flavor. The waffle's origins can be traced back to ancient civilizations. These early iterations were far removed from the fluffy, gridded treats we know today. They were simple flatbreads cooked between two hot stones. Imagine a world without electricity, without waffle irons. This was the reality of our ancestors, who still craved warm, comforting food. The Greeks fashioned a similar food called obelios, a flat cake cooked on hot metal plates over an open fire. These early versions were rudimentary, lacking the signature grids we associate with modern waffles. But they laid the groundwork for a culinary evolution that would span centuries and continents. These early waffles were more about sustenance than indulgence, a far cry from the gourmet creations we enjoy today. From monasteries to mainstream, waffles conquer Europe. Fast forward to the Middle Ages and we witness the waffle taking shape. In Europe, particularly within the walls of monasteries, the waffle began its transformation. Monks, with their access to flour and a penchant for experimentation, played a pivotal role in the waffle's evolution. They developed iron molds, often adorned with religious iconography, which imprinted the now familiar grid pattern onto the dough. These early waffle irons were crafted by hand, each one unique, and were often passed down through generations. The word waffle itself is believed to have originated from the Old French word wafla, meaning honeycomb or cake. This etymology reflects the waffle's evolving form, transitioning from a simple flatbread to a more intricate, patterned food. As the Middle Ages progressed, waffles transitioned from monasteries to marketplaces. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, feel free to subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive future updates. Crossing the pond. Waffles find a new home in America. The 1600s marked a pivotal moment in waffle history, their arrival in the New World. European settlers, including the Dutch, brought their waffle irons and recipes to America. These early American waffles were often made with yeast-based batters, resulting in a denser, chewier texture. They were a far cry from the light and fluffy waffles popular today, but they quickly gained popularity in their new home. Thomas Jefferson, a man of discerning taste and a fondness for French cuisine, played a role in popularizing waffles in America. After a diplomatic trip to France, Jefferson returned with a waffle iron, introducing the novelty to the fledgling nation. This marked the beginning of the waffle's ascent to American breakfast fame. Waffles, once a simple European import, were becoming ingrained in the American culinary landscape. The American breakfast staple, from diners to frozen foods. The 20th century witnessed the waffle's transformation into a true American icon. The invention of the electric waffle iron in 1911 revolutionized waffle making it faster and more accessible to the average household. No longer relegated to special occasions, waffles became a breakfast staple. Diners across the country embraced the waffle, serving them up with butter and syrup, alongside eggs and bacon. The latter half of the century saw the rise of frozen foods, and waffles were quick to capitalize on this convenience. Frozen waffles, ready to be toasted to crispy perfection, became a pantry staple. The waffle had cemented its place in the American culinary lexicon, evolving from a humble European import to a beloved national dish. From diners to breakfast tables, the waffle had found its way into the hearts and stomachs of Americans everywhere. Technology rises, a new era for the waffle iron. As technology advanced, so too did the humble waffle iron. No longer confined to simple grids, waffle irons could now produce a dizzying array of shapes and designs. From hearts to stars to cartoon characters, the possibilities seemed endless. The internet age ushered in a new era of waffle innovation. Online forums buzzed with recipes and techniques, allowing home cooks to elevate their waffle game. Social media platforms became virtual waffle havens, with users sharing their culinary creations, from classic buttermilk waffles to elaborate waffle desserts. The hashtag #hashwaffle reached millions of posts, a testament to the enduring popularity of this simple food. Waffle makers experimented with different batters, incorporating flavors like chocolate, pumpkin spice, and even savory ingredients like cheese and herbs. The AI revolution. Smart machines enter the kitchen. And now, we stand at the precipice of a new frontier in waffle history, the age of artificial intelligence. AI, once the stuff of science fiction, is rapidly changing the way we live, work, and even eat. And yes, it's making its mark on the waffle industry as well. Imagine a world where your waffle iron knows exactly how you like your waffles cooked. Picture this. You wake up in the morning and your AI-powered waffle iron has already preheated itself, knowing your preferred wake-up time. It's accessed your schedule and determined that you have a few extra minutes to savor a leisurely breakfast. This is the future that AI promises, a future where convenience and personalization reign supreme. Precision baking AI ensures perfect waffles every time. AI is bringing a level of precision and consistency to waffle production that was previously unimaginable. Imagine a factory where robotic arms, guided by AI algorithms, carefully pour batter onto hot irons, ensuring each waffle is perfectly cooked. Sensors monitor temperature, humidity, and even the color of the waffle, adjusting the baking process in real time to achieve optimal results. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality of AI in action. Companies are using AI to revolutionize the industry. Their smart waffle irons, equipped with sensors and machine learning algorithms, can detect the moisture content of the batter and adjust the cooking time accordingly. The data-driven waffle AI unlocks new flavors and innovations. But AI's role in the waffle industry extends far beyond the production line. It's also being used to develop new and innovative waffle flavors and recipes. Data scientists are leveraging AI to analyze millions of data points, including customer preferences, ingredient combinations, and even social media trends. By identifying patterns and insights hidden within this data, they're able to predict which waffle flavors will resonate with consumers. Imagine a world where your waffle iron suggests new and exciting waffle toppings based on your previous preferences. Perhaps you're feeling adventurous and open to trying a savory kimchi and bacon waffle. Or maybe you're craving the comforting familiarity of a classic strawberry and whipped cream combination. AI is making these personalized recommendations a reality, transforming the way we experience waffles. Efficiency and sustainability AI optimizes waffle production. Beyond flavor innovation, AI is also playing a crucial role in optimizing waffle production for efficiency and sustainability. By analyzing data on energy consumption, production output, and waste generation, AI algorithms can identify areas for improvement. Imagine a world where waffle factories operate with minimal environmental impact, where waste is minimized, and resources are used responsibly. AI is helping to make this vision a reality. Smart factories equipped with AI-powered systems can monitor and adjust production processes in real time to minimize waste and reduce energy consumption. This not only benefits the environment, but also improves the bottom line for waffle producers. A glimpse into the future. The waffle's AI-powered destiny. The future of the waffle industry is undeniably intertwined with the advancements in artificial intelligence. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative and exciting developments in the world of waffles. Imagine a world where 3D printers, guided by AI, create intricate and personalized waffle designs, transforming breakfast into an edible work of art. Picture a world where your smart refrigerator, equipped with AI, orders your favorite waffle batter before you even realize you're running low. This is the future that AI promises, a future where convenience, personalization, and sustainability converge to create a truly remarkable waffle experience. A toast to the future, the delicious synergy of waffles and AI. From their humble beginnings as simple flatbreads to their current status as a beloved breakfast staple, waffles have come a long way, and their journey is far from over. With the advent of artificial intelligence, the waffle industry is poised for a new era of innovation and transformation. So the next time you enjoy a perfectly cooked waffle, take a moment to appreciate the centuries of history and culinary ingenuity that have gone into creating this beloved treat, and raise a toast to the future, where the delicious synergy of waffles and AI promises a world of exciting possibilities. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive future updates.